Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. And January is all about snow, and we're all about snow here too. And this is your craft for this week. When you pick up your packet, it's going to look like this. Now be careful, it has a magnet taped on the back of it. So don't lose your magnet. When you turn it over, you see a polar bear. So now to keep your skills sharp, here's your polar bear sheet that you're going to do. And you're going to find the word polar bear. Polar bear, polar bear, polar bear. 20 times the same word in that word search. So see if you can find polar bear 20 times. On the back, well, this is to help you learn about polar bears and facts about them. It's a crossword puzzle. And you can finish that to get smarter all the time and learn new things about polar bears. So that's your activity, your educational sheet. Then, when you open up your polar bear package, you're going to get a direction sheet that looks like this. And you might get a polar bear with a bow. You might get a polar bear with a bow tie. You might get one with some sunglasses. Or you might get one with a big furry beard. So let's see what we got. Let's dump this out here. There's all of our pieces. Okay, what's that? That's our polar bear. Look, we got one with glasses and a pretty little pink bow. And what do you think this is? We'll have to see. So let's start. There's our polar bear. Now the first thing you need to do is look at your picture and see which one you got. We have the one with sunglasses. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on, let's just start with sunglasses. Why not? Let's get these all, you have to pull the backing off. Be careful, it's pretty sticky. And I'm going to put her sunglasses on right like that. You like that? Looks good. And then, I have two pieces here. I wonder what I'll be doing with these. Well, I think the first one would go there. Can you see that? And I think the second one would go there. Now this looks like it might be a very cool polar bear. And we also have a flower. So let's put this one on. Take the paper off. We're going to throw that away. And this is going to be a shirt. Oh, yes, indeed. And it looks like this is some kind of a skirt or a bottom. And we'll put it right there. Oh, we got to get it straight. Oh, yes. So now, there's that. We have one more thing. We have a pretty pink flower. We're going to peel the back off of that. And I think I'll put the flower right there. Now, can you think of anything that we didn't use in our packet? What about that? That's the magnet. Let's peel the magnet off. We'll take the tape off of it. I'm going to throw that all away. Here's just a little piece of white spongy material, and you're going to take one side off, and you're going to put your magnet on like that, and then you're going to peel the other side off. Turn your polar bear over, and you can put your magnet like this, but I'm going to put mine like this. I'm going to put either way, and then you can put that on anything you want. And it's your polar bear magnet. Have fun, guys. Thank you.